In 1953, CIA scientist Frank Olson went to a government retreat. He had no idea he was about to become a test subject. His colleagues secretly slipped LSD into his drink, part of a mind control program called MK Ultra. 9 days later, Olson plunged 13 floors to his death from a New York hotel window. The CIA called it suicide. Work stress, they said. They paid his family $750,000 to stay quiet. But decades later, his family dug up his body. What they found changed everything. Blunt force trauma to his skull. He'd been struck before he fell. Witnesses reported seeing two men in his hotel room that night. Olson had been planning to quit the CIA. He wanted to expose the biological weapons experiments he'd seen at Fort Detrick. The agency couldn't let that happen. His death revealed the horrifying scope of CIA drug experiments. Mental patients, prisoners, unwitting victims drugged without consent. Frank Olson didn't jump. He was silenced by the very people he trusted.